Let's see how to set the clock in and clock out times to print manually. The time card has 6 columns to record clock in and clock out times for up to 3 shifts. Use the corresponding buttons to print in the desired column. On the home interface of the machine, press button 1 to print the clock in time for the first shift. Press button 2 to print the clock out time for the first shift. Press button 3 to print the clock in time for the second shift. Press button 4 to print the clock out time for the second shift. Press button 5 to print the clock in time for the third or overtime shift. Press button 6 to print the clock out time for the third or overtime shift. Note: if you set the manual punch mode, the machine prints in all black ink.